The 2024 Norton V4SV represents the epitome of British luxury superbikes, meticulously crafted and designed solely in the UK. Rooted deeply in the legacy of the Isle of Man TT, the V4SV emerges as a symbol of speed, precision, and unmatched engineering prowess. Norton's rich history at the Isle of Man TT serves as the foundation for the V4SV's development. With victories at iconic tracks like Joey's, Ballacraine, and Laurel Bank, Norton's riders have etched their names into motorsport history, creating a legendary connection between the brand and the formidable road race. The V4SV promises an unparalleled riding experience, immersing riders in a world where speed and sensation converge. From the moment the engine ignites, a sense of liberation ensues, and as the rider dons the helmet, the world outside fades into insignificance. This sensory journey is a homage to Norton's TT racing heritage, offering riders a thrilling and rewarding ride. The specifications of the V4SV underscore its power and performance. With 185 bhp generated from its 1200cc engine, coupled with advanced features like LED lighting, a 6-inch display with auto brightness adjustment, and a quick shift system, the V4SV promises a dynamic and exhilarating ride. Engineering excellence defines the V4SV, evident in its carbon fiber fuel tank, in-house developed chassis rigorously tested at the Isle of Man TT, and a Norton-designed 1200cc V4 engine. Each component is meticulously crafted to offer functionality and elevate the riding experience to new heights. Design aesthetics play a crucial role in defining the V4SV's character. Its bold lines and aggressive silhouette embody Norton's distinctive design DNA, exuding a sense of power and sophistication. Handcrafted aluminum frames, billet machine details, and carbon fiber bodywork contribute to an optimal weight distribution, enhancing the bike's responsiveness and agility on the road. In terms of pricing, the 2024 Norton V4SV is listed at US MSRP price, $C dealer USD. Canada MSRP price, $C dealer CDN. Europe/UK MSRP price, £C dealer GBP, on the road in 20% VAT. Overall, the 2024 Norton V4SV stands as a testament to British engineering excellence and design ingenuity, offering riders an unrivaled blend of performance, luxury, and heritage on the road.